Hello friends, my name is Prachi Bhatnagar and thank you for taking interest in this in my video. So basically, hope you all have seen that this is regarding Dholak basic lesson. Okay, so basically I have uploaded there is some videos of Dholak in Hindi language, but why I am uploading this in English because there are many people who are from different places in India and who do not know the Hindi language. So that's why I thought to help that people I should upload a video in English as well. Okay, so second, I have one request, guys. If you are watching this video, so please use the headphones for better sound. Okay, because I am recording this video, so maybe there is a difference in my Dholak sound. So please use the headphones. So let's start this video, and I'm sharing steps. So this is our Dholak, and this part is called bass part, and this called the tune part. Okay, so first I am going to show you the bass part steps. So I will teach you through the counting of numbers, and we will teach through the 4 numbers 1 2 3 4. Okay, and tone will be like this: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So when I said 3, so 3 on the 3 number, I am just holding my hand for 2 seconds. 1 2 3. Okay, I'm just holding 1 2 3, and then I'm applying 4th step. 4, 1 2 3, then 4, 1 2 3, then 4, 1 2 3, then 4. Okay, so you need to hold on the 3 number your hand. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So why I am saying to hold on the 3 number, because there is some reason. If you will not hold on the 3 number, so tone of the Dholak will not good, the sound of the Dholak will be not good. It will like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 2. But when once you will hold on the 3 number, the sound will be like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So just take one day to practice this bass part step, and once your hand will be set on this part, so you need to do practice on the tune part step. So tune part step counting also will be same: 1 2 3 4. Okay, but here on the 3 number we will not hold our hand. Okay, so step will be like this: 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. I'm just drumming with my this groove fingers. 1 2 3. Okay, 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so fingers will be like 4 4 4. Now there is some people who don't know the how I am running my fingers like this, how I am playing my fingers like this. So for those, you can do the separate practice for this finger with the 2 counting numbers, 1 or 2. How you will practice like this? Simply just do 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, when your finger will be habitual or set, so it will be automatically running fast. Okay, and when it will be running fast, so you can use this finger step in this: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so for finger you can do the separate practice, and then you can add in this step: 1 2 3 4, 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So just took one day, just take one day for this part practice, bass part practice. Step will be like this: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, then second day just practice for this tune part. Number will be same, counting will be same: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4. Okay, And now on the third day, you need to combine your both hand. Okay, you need to play together both hand. So how it will be, how we will run. So here I'm increasing one counting. First we have learned through the 1 2 3 4. Now we need to count through the 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we are using 5 counting 5 number to learn both hand combination. So how it will be work, so step will be like this: 1 2 3, take both hand, drum both hand on bass part and tune part will be same. I am using my this group fingers and hand, this hand 4 fingers, like 1 2 3 1 2 3, both sides same. Where I am taking this step, both sides same, 1 2 3. Then on the fourth number, fourth, okay, 1 2 3 same, then 4, and after that, after apply this finger step, just apply this your fifth step. Okay, 1 2 3, I'm again showing you 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So basically when we are combining both steps, okay, so we are increasing one counting, like it will be increased one. First we are using 1 2 3 4, then we have add one counting 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, counting is same on both sides, but only I have one advice to you. If you are not habitual on for this step, on the finger step, so just do separate practice. Okay, so it will be easy to you to apply with this step. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4. Just practice with the two counting number 1 2 1 2 1 2, and when you will be habitual and you will run very smooth this step, so your finger will be run like this, like me. Okay, I have also do practice that's why my finger running very fast. So that's why I am advising you to do separate practice for finger part. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Then you need to take this finger step on only one counting, like 1 1 1 1. When it will be run very smoothly, so it will cover only on the one counting. Okay, just don't take 1 2. We do not need to take two numbers. Only this step is covering is in one number. Okay, for this tune part step, we are using 4 number, 1 2 3 4. On this 4 number, my finger step is covering. Okay, so you need to take this in one number. Okay, so again I am showing you in the last of the video how you will run. First, this is our base part step. You need to put these 4 fingers like this, and 1 2 3, put hold your hand for 2 seconds, 1 2 3 on the 3 number, 1 2 3, and then 4 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 3 4. Okay, same for here. For the tone part, counting number will be same, but only the changes is in finger step. Okay, on the base part we are applying the 4th step like this, but here we are using finger. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, second day you will do this practice. First day your base part practice will cover. Okay, and the third day you will combine both of your hand and you will apply like this: 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3. on the 4 number I am covering my finger step. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. And if you will practice when I was learning this dholak, so I took 7 days. Okay, so sat my both hand on the dholak. So if you are practicing daily, so I also thought that you can learn this is in the 5 to 6 days and your both hand will be sat on the dholak. Okay, so just keep practicing. And if you have guys any question, any confusion, so please comment on the chat box so that I can answer. Also, if you want more videos of dholak in English, so please comment so that I can upload in English, because I have uploaded but all are in Hindi language. So I can upload in English as well. And if my video is helpful, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.